Good morning, Buffs. I hope everyone had a great weekend. And oh man, my hair, just when you thought my hair couldn't get any poofier and bigger, here we are. 2 months into quarantine, I need a haircut. But there's only 2 weeks left of school, which makes me a little bit excited and a little bit sad. Mr. Roberts and I are going to be planning something this week to celebrate our year. We would love to have celebrated it in person, actually, but we still want to do something special for you guys. So we're probably going to let you know on Wednesday or so what we plan. So just keep your eye out for that. We are going to have some kind of end of the year party, so hopefully you all can make it. This morning, I just want to discuss 2 things pretty quickly. The first one is something I've been seeing in CKLA about run-on sentences. Let's read this together. This is a run-on sentence. The cat ran, the cat jumped. That's 2 ideas, and it's not broken up into 2 different sentences, and it also does not have a conjunction or joining word. So lots of you have been doing great with this and know that one way you can fix run-on sentences is by adding the word and or another conjunction like or but. So a really easy way to fix this and combine these 2 ideas, you think what it could be while I write it. I'm just going to add in the word here. Okay, if you said the cat ran and the cat jumped, that would be one way you could fix it. You could also just say the cat ran and jumped, because you don't need to say the cat twice. You could also make it 2 separate sentences. The cat ran, period, the cat jumped. The second thing I want to talk about is related to math, and I just want to review some of the strategies that we learned this year, because you guys are going to be using them again a lot this week. First, I'm just going to talk about a few addition strategies. Vertical is a really important one that we all need to know how to do. So let's have a look here. This is addition. We have 36 plus 25. I know that I start with my 1s and then go to my 10s. 6 plus 5 is 11, but that makes another 10. So I put the new 10 down here, and I just put the 1's place, which is 1. This makes 11, but the 10 goes here. And then 3 10s plus 2 10s plus 1 10. Don't forget about this one. Got to add all of these up is 6 10s. So the answer is 61. Another strategy I want to show you are related to subtraction. Actually, let's do one expanded number form. These problems are easy for some people, but for some people, they're tricky. When you see problems like this that are written out in expanded form, they can be really easy. Like this one, you have, these are your hundreds place, your tens place, and your ones place. So you have 3 1s. There's no 1s here. There's 6 10s, so 6 10s there. And you have 1 100. So your 1 100 goes here. So your answer is just 163. Lastly, I want to look at one number bond and then figure out if it's addition or subtraction that we need to use. So my whole is going to be 129. And my part 1 is going to be 42. So I kind of gave away what's what here, but like you guys remember, this is the whole up here. This is a part 1. This is part 2. We're missing a part, so what do we need to do? We need to subtract. That's right. So whenever we subtract using a number bond, our whole always goes on top because we're taking away from our whole. So to find this part, we need to think, what adds up with 42 to equal 129? The way you can solve that using subtraction is by writing this number sentence, the whole minus the part. And now let's practice our vertical subtraction, which can get a little bit tricky. Again, we start with our 1's place. Can you do 9 1s minus 2 1s? You can do that, no problem. 9 minus 2 is 7. Then let's look at the 10's place. Can you do 2 10s? You have 2 10s. Can you take away 4? Let's try to take away 4 10s. 1 10, 2 10. Oh no, we can't take away 4 10s. So we need to take 100. We need to take 100. Here's our 100. And we add it here. We add 10 10s. We add 10 10s to this. So this becomes 12 10s minus 4 10s equals 8 10s. So the answer is 87. It's been a little bit of time since we've done the vertical with 3-digit numbers. So if you're having trouble this week, just let Ms. Roberts or I know. I hope you all have a great start to your week. Bye.